Okay, so question 12. Wendy is running a lucky dip at a village fair. She has 100 empty matchboxes. In each matchbox, she places either a coin or a note. In 50 matchboxes, she places 10p. In 20 matchboxes, 20p. In 15, she puts 50p. In 10, she puts £1. In 4, she puts £5. And in 1, she puts a £10 note. Each matchbox in the lucky dip is sold for £1, and all the money made will go to charities. Monies, I like that word, monies. Wendy sells all of the matchboxes. How much money will go to charity? So each matchbox in the lucky dip is sold for £1, and all the money will go to charity. All that money. So, how many are we selling at? Each is £1. There's 100 of them. 50, 60, 70, 85, plus all of those is 100. So that's going to get us £100, isn't it? 100 of those, £100. So she's going to make £100 if everyone sells all of these. The only problem is she's putting quite a lot of money into these. So we're going to have to work out how much money she's actually putting into them and take it away from the £100 she's going to make. So, 50 matchboxes is putting 10p. Let's think about that first. So 10p matchboxes. So it's 50 lots of 10p. 50 times 10. I've got a calculator. Don't forget I've got a calculator. But 50 times 10, I think I can manage that one myself. 50, that's 500. So that's 500. Remember, this is pence. So actually that's £5. That's costing us £5 then for the 10p ones. Let's look at the 20p ones. 20 matchboxes, 20p. So 20 times 20p. If we do this, this is 400. Do it on your calculator if you want, it doesn't really matter. 400p, which is £4. 15 matchboxes, which is putting 50p. So the 50p's, 15 times 50p. How much is that costing her? Let's do it on the calculator. 15 times 50. 750 pence. 750p, which is £7.50. Next one, the £1 ones. £1. 10 matchboxes, she's put in £1. 10 times £1 is just £10, isn't it? £10. 4 matchboxes, she's putting a £5 note. So that's 4 times £5. That's £20. £20. And in 1 matchbox, she's paying a £10 note. So 1 times £10, that's £10. Okay, so this is all the money she's putting in there, which is coming out of her pocket. So we need to add all this up. So £5 plus £4 plus £7.50 plus £10 plus £20 plus another £10. But altogether, that is costing her £56 50p. Now she's making £100 because there's 100 of them. She's selling each for £1. So we need to do £100, which she's making, minus the £56.50 that she's putting into the matchboxes as prize money, and that will tell us how much money she makes from this. So 100 minus £56.50, £43 50p. So that's how much money she's going to be able to give to charity. So let's write that in here. £43.50. That's how much money she's giving to charity. Okay, let's see the next bit then. Finley buys a matchbox for £1. Work out the probability that the matchbox will contain a 20p coin in it. Give your answer in its simplest form. Okay, so it's buying a matchbox. Work out the probability the matchbox will contain 20p. Let's look up here then. 20p, there's 20 of those. Altogether, there's 100. So that means 20 out out of the 100. 20 of them have got 20p in them, 20 out of 100. And it says in its simplest form. So we've got to simplify this down now then. So take a 0 off both those, divide them both by 10. So it's 2 over 10. Simplify a little bit further, they're both in a 2 times table, so we can divide by 2. 2 into that is 1, 2 into that is 5. So there's a 1/5 chance that he's going to win 20p. Work out the probability that Finley will find more than £1 in his matchbox. So let's look up here, more than £1. So 10p, 20p, 50p, £1. So more than £1, there's 4 matchboxes for £5, one with £10. So 4 plus 1, that's 5. There's 5 that you can get that win more than £1. 5 out of 100. Simplify this down again. These are both in the 5 times table. So let's divide by 5. 1. 5 into 100 is 20. So 1/20th. That's his chance of winning more than £5.